Did you know that in one handful of healthy soil, you will find more life than the amount of people that live on planet Earth? Soil is the most incredible stuff, but we never talk about it. Everything we eat can be traced to the soil beneath our feet. It feeds us, it sustains us. Soil and the microbes it contains allow our ecosystems to breathe, function and prosper. Without the cycle of carbon capture, store and transfer below us, life as we know it in the surface would not exist. So let's look down for a change, at the ground beneath our feet, and explore the processes that make it so perfect. You might want to put your wellies on. This is Think 4. Process 1. Humification. This is simply the process whereby humus is made, an organic material of decomposed plants and animals. Soil biota and vegetation are also two important factors that influence the process of humification. Invertebrates such as worms are its engineers. They break down and mix the organic matter as they forage and feed, aerating the soil and aiding decomposition. Deciduous vegetation provides an abundant leaf litter that sustains the production of humus and its inhabitants. The deep roots also recycle nutrients, promoting new plant growth and biota activity at the surface. This harmonious relationship is what soil scientists call the nutrient cycle. Our second soil forming process is leaching. It is a natural process by which water-soluble minerals such as iron and aluminium are washed from the A horizon into the B. When minerals are washed from the A horizon, we call it illuviation. When they are washed into the B, we call it illuviation. Leaching is most associated with podzolls, as it promotes the formation of an iron pan. When precipitation is greater than evapotranspiration, leaching intensifies. So it's no surprise to find that Scotland has its fair share of podzolls. The chemistry of parent material is a key factor influencing this process. Parent material is the bedrock that soil has formed on top of. Soil is intrinsically linked to the characteristics of its parental base, just like the genetics between children and their parents. A common rock lying beneath Scottish podzolls is granite, an acidic rock because of its mineral silica. But how does this influence the process of leaching? Well, as rainwater filters through an acidic soil, it too becomes acidic and breaks down iron and aluminium into more soluble particles, making them easier to illuviate. Therefore, without the acidity of its parent rock, podzolls would not form their characteristic iron pan. Our third and final process is glaying, the waterlogging and deoxygenation of soils. It is the process that gives glaze their characteristic blue-grey horizons. Glaze love the west coast of Scotland and blanket most of the Outer Hebrides. I know I'm in a gley when I feel that slow ingress of water into my boots. But what factors contribute to my soggy socks? The answer: relief and drainage. Glaze form when the angle of a slope is between 0 and 5 degrees. This slows the movement of water throughout the soil. For this reason, glaze are found in the boggy landscapes that skirt our hills. The way in which the biosphere manufactures itself from these competing factors and processes is truly amazing. It really does shape the foundations of life on our planet. So never let anyone tell you that it's just mud. It is something much more precious. It is the product of a beautiful interplay between climate, biology, and geology. And it is quite possibly the most important stuff you have ever talked about. This was Think 4. Thanks for watching.